What up, people? This is just a follow-up video of the 1965 Plymouth Barracuda. Well, let's just say it's not going to be fully restored anytime soon. So I'm just going to call this a semi-restoration, whatever. So, as you've seen on the previous video, the introduction of this car, it looked really crappy in the engine bay. Plus it had an engine in it. Well, went ahead and cleaned this whole entire engine bay up, sprayed it some high temp engine paint, aluminum color, and painted the K-member glossy black. Got this old black behind here and cleaned the grill up and stuff. Painted this old silver. Probably gonna paint it black soon because I'm gonna get the whole entire paint redone. Probably clear coat. Have it silver, that metallic glitter in it, whatnot. Just looking to get rid of these stupid stickers on around here. Anyways, we got the engine we're going to throw in possibly today. This is not the same one that was in there. This is out of like a 76 Dodge Dart or something out of a 76 A body. That's all I know. Got it up in Salt Lake, so yeah. There's another video on the channel where it's all crappy looking. You can see how much cleaner it is. Power washed it several times and sprayed it high temp Hemi orange. Just gotta prime the oil pump. Everything all nice and lubed up in there. There's the engine I was talking about. It's a little notification about how I poured some tranny fluid in here. Yeah, these cylinders are free now, so, well, I'm just using this as a parts engine for right now. Well, I recently found out that this thing has capability to go into 145 horse. This thing only has 95 horse stock, 145 stock, that's what I meant to say. Valiant over there has got a 110, 115 stock. But yeah, I discovered that even though I was like halfway through. I was like really unhappy about that, but whatever. Figured as much as I'm going to throw in a 318 in the Cuda. Get some adapters for the slant 6 K-member. Cost me less than a couple $100 for those. And try and make it work and stuff. But yeah, starter works. Haven't turned it over yet. Still gotta prime that pump. Had to take the harmonic balancer off the other one, the original one that was on here. Got a crack in it, so I'm not gonna be able to see it. This is the previous one that was on there. We made our little indentation line for the timing, so I'll know how to time it properly. Because the timing marks were different between a 65 and a 76 motor. It's not 6. Anywho, well, yeah, that's my project. Evidently snapped one of the corners on the dealio. So I get another one of these from Summit Racing. Turns out it will not fit because, well, it will fit. It's just the fact that the starter is going to run right into these. I think they figured as much, so you'd be able to bolt on a larger torque converter, probably like a 727 transmission. This is a 904 automatic, 3-speed. Flex plate, that's what it's called. So I just threw the original one back on that had a little crack at the top. Figured as much, it's probably going to stay intact for a good year until I get a V8 like this one's got. This is my father's 66 Formula S Barracuda. As you can see, we got the gaskets all over there. Anyways, been doing a lot of research on, I know I'm bouncing back and forth, but yeah. HEI module dealio. Been watching some of that Who Said Tyler guy's videos. Gotta get the right deal for that. Get it all hooked up for there. For now, I'm gonna try the points ignition setup. I was originally on that. I'm gonna throw it in here. See if it'll at least fire it up. If it does, yahoo! Then I'll start working on getting the HEI set up for the 65 over there. Show you the 273 motor he's got in here. If I find the stupid thing latches. Anyways, so yep, that's the 273 small block that we got here. You need to obviously rebuild it because it burns way too much oil. You gun it and then the whole neighborhood is engulfed in white smoke. Nice. Anyways. Yep. So that's pretty much my dilemma with this whole deal. Gotta get the gas tank all cleaned out. Get all the rust out. Pour some Pour 15 in it. Hopefully salvage it. Did a whole bunch of wire brushing cleaning that up. Got a drive shaft. Ball and trunnion, whatever. Gotta get that modified so I could get it to work for the slip yoke deal for the back of this. Yeah. There's so many things to do with this car. Gotta get some back brakes because apparently it doesn't have any. Has no guts. I got the guts. Just gotta get an e-brake lever and a strut for each side on the back. I get some new brake lines for the back too. They'll hook up on the rear end. Yeah. Hook up some LEDs as if they were map lights under here. Just love how those back seats are in perfect condition. The front ones are just so torn up because they're the ones that get hit with the sun the most, fortunately. Anyways, guys have any questions or comments? Feel free to do so. That's the 1965 Plymouth Barracuda project. I'll evidently throw up another video once I get this thing running. So, till then, ciao ciao.